Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to part 3 of my slime collection. Let's go through my snap. Okay, so it looks like we got Disco Fever. I don't know why it's called it, but I haven't played with this in a while. Whoa, it's really glittery. Kind of smells like nothing. It's really nice and crunchy. Just look at this, it's so cool and glittery. Alright, so moving on to the next slime. Let's move on to the next slime. Let's see what else we got. Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, this one's completely melted. It's just glue now. Still smells good, so it's really pretty though. If you can get this, if only you could see this. It's pretty nice, actually. Looks pretty. This is gonna have to go in the fixed corner because it still smells good and it's kind of pretty actually. We'll just need to activate it for that, but we're not going to do that right now. That's for a different video. We're not doing that right now. Let's move on. Okay. A red slime spilled on this, so that's disturbing. Let's just open this. Hopefully this red slime that spilled on it doesn't get on it. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to clean that before we put it away. But this is a nice slime. It still smells good. I don't know why there's red slime spill. We have to figure out what that is. So I will be back when I clean this. Did the best I could cleaning it, but this slime's pretty good. Let's just put it away now and hope for the best. Not any red slime stuff getting on this one. This one's good, but we gotta find this other slime that's spilled or something. We found the culprit. This is going in the trash. We're not reviewing this. This is just stupid glue. We found the culprit, so that's that. Let's continue. Hope the culprit didn't get anybody else. Let's look at, oh, it did get some. It's fine. Let's just review it. Oh, it actually is nice. Doesn't smell like anything at all. Don't I have something that kind of looks like this? No. Oh yeah, I do. Look, there was that little one from that slime palette from the last one, but that's kind of similar to this one, except this one's a little, like, hard to stretch. Let's move on. This one's fine. It passes. Let's see this one. Alright. It's a putty. And it's not that great. It's pretty. It's not that good though. Because it's kind of dried pieces. It's a little rippy. Well, there's nothing I can do to fix this, so it's just putty. This putty. This passes, I guess, so. Yeah. Alright, we're going to end the video now. See you in part 4 of the slime opening. Bye!